Hi, welcome to our house tour. Come on in. So we live in a two-bedroom apartment over here in Derbyshire, and we absolutely fell in love with this apartment when we first saw it. It's just perfect. It's close by to all the really good spots. The city center is close by, all the grocery shops are close by, and it's just convenient for us. And that was the whole thing. We just needed some convenience. And with this apartment plus convenience, it was just perfect. I actually decided to do this house tour right now after living in this apartment for a few months because we've just now like properly set it up eventually slow and steady, and I feel like this is the perfect time to show it, and it's really cute. So over here we have the utility room, and it has like the water boiler and the Wi-Fi router and stuff like that. It's a mess, so I'm not going to open it and show it to you. And on this side, we have a little heater that we've never actually used because it's just in such an odd spot because you just enter over here and there's a heater. So we honestly haven't used this one. So yeah, it is kind of like a pointless heater to be honest. But yeah. And over here on this side, we have this shoe rack. So Nishant had this open wardrobe when he lived in Kingston, and we actually decided to bring it over here. And instead of just building the whole thing, we've actually just built a basis, and we've just used it as the shoe rack. And it's so perfect. It looks organized and it looks really clean, and it's obviously very convenient because it's right when you enter. And so yeah, that's basically it. And over here in this little corner, these are actually two side tables from this room, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And what we've done is we've put some snack boxes down there. So we've utilized this space really cleverly. And these drawers are just filled with all like the randomest things, like all the stationery and basically the things that we don't use on a daily basis. So I think, and it looks like a whole like table, it doesn't look like two side tables just joined together. And I really love this. This is an old chopping board, and we've kind of recycled it and reused it because I had this like paper that I just stuck onto it and just written like welcome to the JK house because we call this apartment JK house. And these are some flowers, some like pots from IKEA, my day-to-day kind of office bag and stuff like that, and a diffuser and a lamp. I love lamps. I've made Nishant fall in love with lamps as well.
That is true, but Aarti, I have a question for you.
Yes.
What does this door lead to? It's not kept very well.
I'm going to come to this because we've actually blocked it.
Okay.
It's a guest bedroom, and the access is from both sides, from here and from inside.
Right.
But we've just blocked it because we honestly don't have enough room over here, and we just didn't have any space to keep this shoe rack, honestly. So we just had to do that.
Well, if they positioned the heater differently, hmm.
Well, let's come to the kitchen now. I think this is the space where we spend most of our times, especially at 6 in the mornings, because we cook before going to work. So we have everything right over here, and like a really, really tall fridge.
That's wait. I need to get there. That's a really tall fridge.
It is a really tall fridge, and we've actually never had this tall fridge all to ourselves because till now we've always shared our flats with uni students and our friends and everything like that. And you only get like one shelf from that fridge to having this entire like a fridge taller than you. It's the transition is like real. And this is a freezer and this is a fridge, so it's like really convenient. We have all our like different things over here inside. And let me talk about this because this is a really, really special thing. This is like a combination of fridge magnets and postcards. So Nishant loves collecting fridge magnets, I love collecting postcards. And then one day I just had this question like, why are we only displaying fridge magnets? And then I had this idea of like basically putting the postcards behind the fridge magnets so we get to display both. And it's like both of our parts coming together, and also it just looks nice and fuller, and it's basically all the things that we've traveled to or been sent to. Like, this is a gift, and this is a gift from France from my brother, and these are all the rest of the places we've been traveling to and stuff. So it's just like a little cute part of our house. And coming back to here, this is kind of our tea coffee station, and this is our egg boiler. This is the Ninja air fryer that we got once we moved in.
The
Um,
goat. The
it's really
absolute
nice.
goat.
We almost use it every day, and it's just so easy and convenient. This is all like storage space. This is like a dishwasher, and they've given a lot of equipments over here, like oven, hob, the microwave as well. And this is a washing machine over here, which is really cool. Um, and this is just like another storage space over here as well. There are a few cabinets with like storage spaces. These are like the new jars that we recently got, tea, coffee, and sugar, and it actually matches perfectly with our cutlery.
That's
So,
crazy.
it's just something that we really like. And we also got blender and a toaster. I think Nishant and I just decided like it was time
Yeah.
to get that, because it just makes living easier, honestly. And yeah, this is meat. Let me fix it first. Meet Swanand. We've named this little cutie Swanand because it's
It's a
swan.
such one.
And oh, this I really love this
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Because it's like a little cute cup holder, and it's so convenient, and it's like really cute as well. So yeah, now this is our little dining area. We have only 3 chairs right now because one chair we're using at a desk. And yeah, basically we just bought these flowers from IKEA, and these are from India, and some water bottles and candles, and like little cute stuff over here. Over here we have like a storage kind of a basket where we store all our spices and stuff like that. And this is our laundry basket. And this is our Polaroid wall. So we've just stuck all the Polaroids that we've taken till date and just like displayed it in order. And it's really cute because it kind of tells you the story as well. This is when I left my home to come to the UK. This is where Nishant left his home to come to the UK, and this is the first time we celebrated our anniversary over here. This is when Nishant was working, and our engagement, and the first time that we set our Ganpati, and again, like Indian engagement as well.
Something looks missing here, Arti.
I know. We need to click a Polaroid of our house. We'll do that. That's on our agenda. And this is our living space. I think we spent, again, like most of our time over here, just like watching shows and everything on our projector. And this is our little cute little projector. And our coffee table is very unique as well. It kind of rotates, something like this. And I have like my books and stuff like that over here. So it's really cool. We obviously got this flat furnished, and this is our cute kind of wooden tray, and like some plants and scented candles, diffuser, and everything like that. Over here near the window, we've got a variety of like plants, and basically what we've done is we've just set it up because whenever we walk from outside, we could actually see inside the flat, and that makes us really happy, like just to see different kind of plants in the living room. And this is the IKEA lamp that we recently got as well. And over here, this is my kind of a favorite thing. This is, I think, the first thing that we decorated in our house. And we got these records and our wines. So Nishant had a few green wines and I had them, and then we just combined it over here. And if you've been following my channel for a long time, you know that I have decorated my flat like this or my room like this all the time. And since the time I've moved to the UK, I've had these green wines with me and the records as well in Lincoln. And so much has changed and I've grown so much, but you just know that these little things are constant in your life. And I really love this green couch as well. It's really comfortable. So yeah, this is our kind of a nook. So let me explain this as well. Over here, when we display the projector, we can also see this. This is kind of our display cabinet. We have our paintings over here that we recently did. And these are my old paintings. This is all our content creation stuff. These are again some flowers, to keep add that freshness. And these are all like the gifts that we've got. My Paddington bear and our Alexa and all my board games and all the other things. I think she's gonna talk something now. I'm not quite sure how to help you with that. Oh, really? Thank you. It's because I mentioned your name. And all these other things like cameras and like board games and everything like that. And Nishant has this trunk over here.
I won
And
it.
yeah, and we really love this chair as well, and I've kind of put my shawl over it as like a throw. So yeah, this is our kind of a little apartment. Now let's go into the guest room. So sorry, the light is not going to be very aesthetic over here. But this is our desk. This is the one that I got in Derbyshire when I moved. And we've just kind of like brought it over here in this house as well. And it's like really, really nice because it has all our electronics and stuff like that. This is our little temple and our monitor setup. And this is where Nishant plays his games and I do all my editing. And if you see my vision board, I have my vision board as my wallpaper, so I always know that what I'm working on. So it's really cool. And this bed was actually in the middle of the room, and we just shifted it over here in this corner so we could have this space for the desk. And this is our guest room. So whoever like comes, we're literally having a guest in like half an hour. So she's going to sleep over here for the next few days. And this is a closet, and basically, I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to dare to open it because it has all the stuff that we don't use on a daily basis, and it has all our like heavy jackets and everything like that. So it's all filled with our trolley bags and everything like that as well. So I'm not going to open it. And over here, Nishant has his shoe collection, which is really really cool. And over here he has like his hats and tote bags, and these are like really really cool tote bags as well, like something that he can actually display, and which I really find it to be cool. And over here we've just like kind of hung our daily jackets. And this is our guest room, and that's the door that we're
Ah,
not supposed to open. We actually had an idea of like putting a board over here says staff only, so no one dares to enter it. But yeah, this is like a really nice big bathroom, and like a heating rod, a basin, commode, bathtub, and all our like free toiletries and stuff like that that people can use. And I find it really cool. I love hosting people, so that's something I really really enjoy. So yeah, now that we've seen the guest room and our office area, let's go to our room. So on this side we have our room. I couldn't find the handle, but yeah, this is our room, and I find it really really cozy and comfy. And it's the best thing in summer because in summer, like the golden light and the golden hour, the room is just lit up. And in winter it's kind of cold over here, but yeah, it's really really nice. And on my side table I have all my makeup stuff and all my little Octo, who is happy right now, and all my like other stuff like skincare and everything like that, my jewelry that I wear to office every day, my phones and everything like that, and all my like makeup and other skincare as well, and all my hair things down there. So it's a lot busier, but I've made it look very clean. And on Nishant's side, he has a little lamp and his glasses, watch, his Bhagavad Gita, and his phones as well. So it's really really cool. And over here we have our closet, and we have all our daily essentials, all our like jackets and clothes, all the basic clothes basically. And we've divided it into half, so this side is mine and that side is Nishant's. And we don't really take each other's spaces, So that's good. And over here again we have a PS5 Pro. It's not mine, so guess whose it is. And these are my Uggs and obviously Nishan's other collection as well. And this is our bathroom. So we have like our heating rod, and we have a bathtub, a commode, and a basin, and all are like products that we use on a daily basis. And this is really cute. We found it in Flying Tiger, and I just find it really cute. We just don't have a family yet. Otherwise, our kids will probably use it later to put their to the brush. But yeah, this is our little kind of a cute apartment. So yeah, that is my house tour, and I think someone else is recording my house tour for the first time. So I really feel like you've actually come to like that architectural digest videos. Couldn't remember the name, but yeah. But yeah, this is something like we've created a space of our own, and we really love it because we just spend a lot of time in our home. We really don't feel like getting out of the house most of the times, unless we need some food, obviously. But most of the times we're just like chilling over here. Yeah, like Nishan's doing his stuff, I'm doing my stuff, and we really love that because it's just something that we've always dreamt of. And we always looked forward to kind of move in together, and it's really fun actually. And the best part is that we don't have to share our house or rooms with anyone else, and this entire space is our own, and that's the best thing ever. Obviously you have to share and everything in the uni, but we are quite lucky to have this kind of life. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this house tour, then please do let me know, and please give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.